What's up, y'all? My name is Danny. I'm going to show you my top 5 keyboard shortcuts in Final Cut Pro to be a fast editor. Hey, my name is Danny Bull. I'm a cameraman for the BBC. Over the last 10 years, I filmed in the Amazon and the Himalayas, from the Rohingya crisis in Bangladesh to the protests in Hong Kong. I hope to share here some of the tips and tricks I've learned over the years. So today is March 20th, 2020. I'm wishing you all great health. I know there's crazy times right now. And what I'm going to show is some editing tricks I like to use. You know, at BBC, sometimes we're on really heavy deadlines. We got to turn around a package to air on a bulletin, and that time cannot change. So these are some of the tricks I use to get my edit going as fast as possible. So here I have some shots that I just filmed outside the window of a big construction project going on. I'm going to just run through so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so how are we going to put this together? I've selected a track. I like to work with music for this kind of time lapse. So the track is like this. It's a mix of guitars and some keyboards that I've recorded in the studio here. Okay, so you get the point. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start with my favorite key command, and that's going to be it's better, in my opinion, than the blade tool. The blade tool is just going to cut one line of track. So what this will do is it'll cut through anything where the playhead is, it's going to cut through everything. If I were just to hit the blade tool and make one cut there, it's only going to cut one layer. And let's say I have multiple videos on top of each other and an audio file down here. I'll make this bigger so you can see the waveform. I've only cut here, but I want to cut through all these. So I'm going to do Command-Shift-B, and now I've cut through all the layers. Okay, so that's the first one, Command-Shift-B. So the second one is paste attributes. So for example, I feel like this shot is a little dark. So I'm going to open up my window to do some color correction. And if you want to see the color correction tutorial, go to my YouTube channel, and I'll have a link down below, and you can see that tutorial. So I'm going to do a quick color correction right now. Okay. So that, to me, is looking better. I'll show you before and after. That's before, that's after. So you're getting some color. It's looking a bit more vibrant. Now, I have a shot right before that's quite similar. Go to the shot that I've already color corrected. I'll hit Command-C, and now I will select the shot that I want to apply this color correction to, and I'll do Command-Shift-V. Now this window comes up, and I will paste the color effect that I've just done on this new file. And as you can see, the color is now applied to the new shot. So that is copy and paste attribute. So I've already done a bit of the edit here, and I decide I like this transition right here. I've made a transition between, I'm fading out from the evening and going into the next morning. I can play that through. But now I've decided that I want this to come in just a little bit later. The second clip is going to come a little bit later. So I've already made a cut here, as you can see right there. So I'm going to use the less than or greater sign, and I can nudge this video clip a frame earlier or a frame later. So if I just nudge left twice, I've created a little bit of space, and I can watch it again. I can nudge left or right until I find the right pace for this edit. Okay, fine, that looks pretty good to me now. Okay, next, I've decided, let's say for this file, I want it to start around here. So I'll do Command Shift B to cut like we did before. I've cut this section out, and I will do Command Shift up. And I'll leave it there just so I know where it was in that clip. And I'll copy it and paste it back here. And now I can work with this image in my edit. Okay, and then finally, for these time-lapse shots, my favorite key command is transitions. So I'll just select the end of it and do Command T. And now I've created a nice transition. All right, so those are my top 5 keyboard shortcuts for Final Cut. Let me know what else you want to see, and please like or subscribe to my YouTube channel attached below. Thank you.